Hello all, and welcome back to my camper in the Adirondack Mountains. The other night I made this chili cheese dip for a potluck that we were having here, and I went home with leftovers. And you look at it like, okay, so what can I do with these leftovers? And my thought is, let's make zucchini boats out of it. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to take a zucchini. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ends off of it. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to split it lengthwise down the middle, best as possible. Okay, not quite the middle, but it's good enough. And you'll want to scoop out the inside. Come through. And I'm going to try not to make too much of a mess here. The zucchinis are a little firmer, so it's a little, you have to put a little elbow grease into it. Just like, take a little bit out. And I know this is going to be awesome. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my pan with some extra virgin olive oil so that the zucchini doesn't stick to the bottom. And then we're just going to go ahead, we're going to take our zucchini half. We're just going to scoop this chili right in there. And you can just pile it high, make a nice big mound out of it. This way, we're not wasting this leftover chili cheese dip. We're getting some good use out of it, making a nice dinner out of it. And I think one zucchini is going to be enough. I don't think I would need any more than this. And what I did is I took the filling and I'm kind of scooping under the cheese because I'm going to add fresh cheese to the top. Okay, so now that is filled, stacked a little bit. Okay, that looks amazing. And let me grab a towel because I got my hands really mucky. And then what we'll do is we'll top these off with some cheddar cheese. And at this point, you could either put these in the oven for 15 minutes on 350 degrees, or in my case, because it's too hot to use the oven here in the camper, I do have the AC going, so I don't want to run the oven. So I am going to go outside and do this on the grill. So that looks perfect. I'm going to toss these on the grill, and we'll see you back in roughly 15 minutes. You know your zucchini boats are done when the cheese is perfectly melted and there's some sizzling going on in the pan. So what I'm going to do now is turn off the heat and serve this in the plate. And I'm going to bring my plate right up here because this is going to be kind of messy. So I'm going to push it back for some leverage. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that looks awesome. My zucchini boats are now served and they look absolutely awesome. I cannot wait to dig into these. Thank you for following and have a great night.